Movie tickets, a 192% markup. Popcorn, a 900% markup. A glass of your favorite soda, 1400% markup. Guys, those are just 3 examples of items people pay a huge market price on. And in today's video, talking about clothing, accessories, and other items, their average markup price so that you can use this information to go out there, make better buying decisions, and save money. Now let me be clear, I'm a businessman. I understand that companies need to mark things up to make a profit, and that's a good thing. But if you understand how much they've marked stuff up, as a consumer, you can use this information to negotiate. You can use this information to look for sales, to look for deals, to save money. And that's what this video is all about. So first up, let's talk about clothing and accessories. Custom suits. What are we going to see the markup there? Only about 100 to 200%. So actually coming in on the low end. Next up, let's talk about designer suits. 200 to 400%. The difference between custom and designer. Custom is made for the individual. Designer is made for the mass market. Fragrances. Anywhere from 100 to a 500% markup. Designer shoes. On average, a 354% markup. Designer jeans. A 650% markup. Next up, let's talk about jewelry. So I'm talking about rings, talking about necklaces, cufflinks, and we're going to be talking about watches. What we see here is anywhere from a 200% to over 1,000% markup. Oftentimes, it's going to be with gold. We're going to see a higher markup than we will on steel or silver. And when it comes down to precious stones, the highest markup of them all. And coming in with the highest markup in menswear at 1,329% markup, we've got designer eyewear. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Hey, I wear glasses. My son wears glasses. My wife wears glasses. Someone I care about wears glasses, and I don't want them to pay that crazy marked up fee. If that's the case, guys, send them to Glasses USA, the paid sponsor of today's video. I'm linking to them down in the description. There's an awesome discount code down there for you. But guys, for over 2 years, my family, we've been using Glasses USA because it works. We're talking 70% off of retail price. So when you go to your optometrist, I can tell you that they are way overpriced. We've gone in and I just have to, they don't even have options. When you go to Glasses USA, what you're gonna find, over 2,500 options. A lot of them are in-house brands, but they've also got companies like Ray-Ban, Tom Ford, Oakley, Armani, Adidas, and they've got a wide variety of styles. So if you want full rim glasses, if you want half rim glasses, if you want no rim glasses in a variety of materials, they've got you covered. They've also got sports glasses, safety glasses, kids glasses, sunglasses, any type of prescription glasses that you need. And my favorite part of the website, the virtual mirror. So you upload a picture of yourself and you can see yourself wearing the glasses. It's really cool. And you're like, I want to go for something with a little bit more color. Maybe a little bit more color than that, and you can actually virtually try on and find the perfect pair for you. Free shipping, free returns, a 100% money back guarantee, a 365-day product warranty. Guys, it's a no-brainer. If you want to save money on prescription glasses, go check out Glasses USA. I'm linking to them down in the description. When you click the link, you're going to get the best deal you're going to find on the web. Go check them out. Awesome company. All right, so you're about to take a trip. You're going to travel. Let's talk about the markups that you're going to run into. That airline ticket, a 388% markup. Oh, traveling internationally. Let me add another 1 to 200% markup. Hotel minibars, a 400% on average markup. Yes, that small bag of M&Ms is $10. Oh, you forgot your phone charger. Guys, guess what? A 672% markup on that essential item. Still haven't bought the tickets for that concert you want to attend? Ooh, looks like it's sold out. A 2,873% markup from list price. And last but not least, the most marked up item for a busy traveler. Oh, you just blew through your data plan. Guess what? You've now got to pay by the text. Want to let your wife know you're out of the concert, ready to get picked up. That text right there has a 5,961% markup. So did that overpriced text message stress you out? Hopefully not, because I'm not done. Guys, you're going out to drink and you order a bottle of wine. You want to relax. You want to enjoy company with friends. Oh, guess what? A 400% markup. Oh, too much for, I don't need a whole bottle. I'll just take a glass. On that glass, a 400 to 800% markup. Well, what about if I just go with a beer? Give me a domestic beer. Guess what, guys? A 694% markup. Oh my gosh, Antonio, these markups are crazy. Just give me a drink, a mixed drink, a 1,150% markup right there. Okay, I've had enough of the alcohol then. Just give me a soda. Guys, guess what? A 1,150% markup as well. Wow. Those are some crazy markups, but I get it. Companies got to stay in business. However, I've got a road trip in front of me. I need to stay awake. I'm going to go with a nice mocha. Oh, wait a minute. If I go for something like that, probably a high markup, I'm going to go for a plain coffee. Well, guess what? On a plain coffee, still a 1,000% markup. If I would have gone for that really nice mocha, closer to a 3,000% markup. So what do you think, guys? Can drinks get any more absurd? Can it get any crazier on the markup? The answer is yes. Topping the list, coming in at 2,000 to 4,000%, depending on how you buy it, guys, we've got bottled water. Yes, bottled water is at the top of the list. Next up, let's talk about you hardworking students and how you're getting ripped off. Let's start this off with your textbooks. Textbooks, on average, 163% markup. I thought this would have been a lot higher, and I'm sure there are some books out there that have like a 300 or 400% markup, but guys, on average, 163%. Next up, we've got printer ink, coming in at a 300% markup. Need a table for your apartment? Need a bed for your dorm room? Guys, a 400% markup on furniture. That fancy calculator that does all those calculations, that TI-83, guess what, gentlemen? An 892% markup. Oh, and it gets better. When you graduate, you've got to buy a cap and gown. You've got to buy it. Guess what? A markup of just over 1,000%. All of this pales in comparison, though, to the markup on prep classes. We're talking classes that get you ready for the GRE, for the SAT, for the ACT, for the GMAT. There is a 3,082% markup on these classes. Not too bad, right? So these next ones, I didn't know how to categorize them, except wow. Your funeral casket, a 350% markup. I thought this percentage was going to be a lot higher. So in this case, I'm actually not too bad compared to everything else we've seen. Calling a psychic hotline apparently has a markup of 9,186%. Now, I'm not sure what to think about that. Legit? Probably not. And wrapping things up, we've got healing crystals. I've got to read this at 2,493,828%. And they did calculate that, and I don't know. Sounds legit, right? That's a legitimate markup. All right, gentlemen, now it's your turn. I want to hear from you down in the comments. How do you deal with markups? How do you save money when it comes to huge markups like we talked about in today's video? I want to hear from you. I want to learn from you. Let me know down in the comments your tips and tricks. And guys, go check out Glasses USA. If you are paying full retail, you are paying too much. Guys, I've got a link down there which is going to have an awesome discount deal. Use it or lose it. Not going to be around forever. And like I said, for years, I've been using their service. My wife uses glasses. My son wears glasses. I actually have a pair of prescription glasses from them right here. And I'll put these on. And the way the procedure worked is I just went into my local eye clinic. I actually had them do an exam. I got the exact numbers I needed. I simply sent it to them. And in a very short time period, they had it delivered to me. I've got a wide variety of different frames. I've been testing these things out, guys. Great company, great quality at a fair price. I'm linking to them again down in the description. All right, gentlemen, that's it. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. I can taste the markup. Yes, I can. On my essential everyday water. Taste that markup. Oh yeah. Probably what? Probably only 2,000% on this one.